welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. I'm going to start by brushing my hairs up with the spoolie. Next, I'm going to use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter to keep my brows in place. Love this clear gel. If you haven't tried it, you're missing out because it's really good. Okay, so here I'm going to grab the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 6, and I like doing this little trick where I press the pencil down on a flat surface to make the tip super flat and sharp, because for the front of my brows I'm doing hair-like strokes. I know I waste more product by doing this, but that's how I get those really thin and fine hair-like strokes. When doing the front of your brow, don't put so much pressure on the pencil. To clean up under my brows, I'll be using the BeBella concealer. One of them is in the shade light and the other one is light medium. And blend the rest of the concealer with a flat brush. Going back with the Precisely My Brow Pencil, I'm going to create an arch. I do have hairs there, but it's not as full, so that's why I'm filling it in with the pencil, and I'm also gonna fill it in with the brow pomade. This one I really like. I will be listing everything I used on the description box, so if you want to go check the names there. To clean up the top of my eyebrows, I'm using my foundation instead. I don't want the top of my eyebrows to be so bright. Next, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 4 because I want my eyebrows to look lighter and blend a little bit more. To set the rest of my eyelid, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm setting that with a translucent powder. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something. If you decide to follow this tutorial, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your beautiful eyebrows. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.